Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, this is the styling bakery displays. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length will be about like 46 and 3 4/4 inches. And the overall tall about like 59 inches. And the overall depth about like 31.5 inches. As you can see, the units will have two parts of it. The top one is curved display glasses, and the bottom is open display. So let's take a measurement for the inner side. For the depth, about like 21 inches. And the length about like 44 inches. And as you can see, we're having the LEDs right here at the bottom and sliding covers for overnight using. They can protect your food. And we can take a look. The front is super clean, and we can take a look at the back side right now. Here is the back side. We have a sliding door on top, which you can access the inner side. Now let's take a look at the measurements. Bottom shelving depths about like 18.5 inches. And the entirely tall, they are about like almost 19 inches. And top layer shelvings, they are just about like almost 14 inches deep. And we're looking down the units. Look at this side. We're having the sanitation sticker right here, ETL, and all the information about the units. And we're having the controllers at the bottoms and the switchers. And they're using the 110 plug US standards. And this pipe is for you to connect with the extend the water pipes and to the drains to making the water leaks out. And that's all the information about the unit. If you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you so much.